प्रभु कृतज्ञ के तुमको धन्यवाद आज धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु आधार दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद। We will have the veneration of the cross. After the veneration of the cross, all will go proceed to the house and they will go on the terrace. I repeat, सगळ्यांचे दिवसाची बोची गेल्याचे म्हणशी आपण टेरेस वर जाऊया. Okay, so you can start with the veneration. Those who want to remove photographs, you can remove photographs also. There's no hurry. So after the veneration, you can sit, click the photograph, and then you can proceed. We'll take Sukanu Bhelu.
के